Hi guys, today is a really short video. I'd like to show you where you can locate the ECU and the OBD2 port on a CFmoto 400, 450, 500. So here you can see it's a 2018 model. It's called Gen 1 in the US. And the ECU, it's easy to find really. There's this lever. You pull up the seat and you can see right here, here's the battery, and to the right from the battery you can see the ECU. This one is a European model. It's a Bosch MSE 6.0 or whatever, and you can see it's the OBD2 port. It's covered with this has this plastic cover on. Hard to remove using one hand. And you see it's a really cheap ELM 327 OBD2 scanner from eBay. I think it was something like $2 or $3, so it's really cheap. It's a Bluetooth one, so you can connect it to your phone as long as it has a Bluetooth connection. And yeah, you just plug it in and you should be able to read the mistakes, the errors from the ECU, and hopefully also clear them. Yeah, for the software you can use something like Torque. It's a free program, free software, so you can download it, and yeah, free to use. So this one is Gen 2 450 European version. You can see the OBD2 port is located here. You have to pull this up. There are some pins down here. You just pull it up, remove it, take it off, and you can see the OBD port is right here. So it's even easier to find. Again, plug it in and you should be able to read and clear the errors. What's interesting about this one is that actually the ECU itself is a completely different location. It's you can find this plastic cover in the back, right behind this backrest, and there are two rivets. You need this tool to open them, like pull them up. That's it. You'll be able to remove the plastic sort of cover, and you can see the ECU down there. Yeah, so some American models can have Delphi ECU, or some older models can have MSE 3.0, or again some newer models can have MSE 8.0. So, but this one is a 2022 model, and that one it's a 2018 model. They have these Bosch MSE 6.0. So it's pretty easy. So easy to find, easy to connect. I think there are no problems with this. Thanks for watching. Bye.